Now, if I'm drawing a small circle, say up to a foot in diameter, the compass, well, that's the tool to use. But if I want a bigger circle, or I don't have a compass, I just simply make one.
First, I drill a small hole in the end of a strip of wood. Next, I drive a finish nail into the center of the stock out of which I want to cut the circle. Clip off the head and insert the nail into the hole in the wood. Then, using a tape measure, I make a mark equal to the radius of the circle I want to draw. And drill a second hole at that location. To draw a circle, I insert the nail in the first hole, pass the tip of a pencil through the second hole, and around I go.
Now, with this technique, I can make a circle of any size. Say I wanted one 8 feet in diameter. All I would need is a longer piece of wood.